Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of Snuggles and Storytime. My name is Amanda, and I'm so glad that you could join me today. Today, I have a great story for us to share. Our story today is all about the clues or hints that it's winter. Yeah, I'm going to tell you more about it in just a moment, but first, we need to sing hello. So please put your hands up so you can join me. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello, all my friends, how are you? Hello, all my friends, how are you? With the jiggle, 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 and a wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hello, all my friends, how are you? Oh, friends, I've got a great story for you today. Our story today is about the signs of winter. So right now where I live in Wisconsin, it's winter. It's winter. There's snow outside. Snow is like white frozen raindrops, and you can put them in balls and make snowballs, or you could throw them, or you can build a snowman. You can do different things with it, but they're frozen, so they're very cold. When it's winter, I need to wear mittens on my hands to keep them warm, and a hat on my head to keep it warm. Our story today is called Signs of Winter. And it's a nonfiction book, so it's going to tell us real things. It's going to tell us facts. And it's written by Colleen, Dolphin. I wonder if you're going to know all the facts in our story. Let's check it out. Here we go. This is our first page. It says seasons. There are 4 seasons during the year. They are called spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The weather, plants, animals, and daylight hours change during each season. And here we have pictures. Spring, summer, autumn, also known as fall, and winter. Does that picture of winter look like winter where you live? It looks pretty close like the winter where I live. But at my house, there's more snow. We get a lot of snow. I just had a thought. I wonder if when it's winter where I live, is it winter where you live? Does everyone in the whole world have winter at the same time? I don't know. Let's keep reading and we'll see if we find out. The next page says winter. During the year, Earth travels around the sun. This brings some parts of the Earth closer to the sun, and other parts of the Earth get farther from the sun. Winter happens in the parts farthest from the sun. So over here is Wisconsin. So if this part is far from the sun, so I have winter, that means the part down here doesn't have winter at the same time. So the sun is here, and the story said that the Earth goes around the sun. And that's right, that's called an orbit. But as the Earth goes around the sun, we have to know that it's not straight up and down. It's kind of tilted like this. So when it turns, see how the girl's turning? You can see her face and you can't see her face. When it turns and it goes around the sun, different parts of her are close. It's like here, her face is closer. And here, her feet are closer. So the Earth will change because it's not straight, it's tipped. So it spins like this. And as it spins and goes around that orbit of the Earth, of the sun, sorry, that's how we get our seasons. And that's tricky stuff. That's like fourth grader stuff. Maybe even older. Maybe even older. Let's see what it says next. In the winter, there are many clouds in the sky. Instead of rain, it snows. Why does it snow? You got it. It snows because it's too cold to rain. If the weather was warmer, then it would rain. But it's not, so it snows. In this picture, Vanessa and Tom are making a snowman. They start by making a huge snowball. There is very little daylight in winter. It gets dark out early in the evening. Guess what, friends? There's also places on the earth. So remember how the earth is tilted? On the very, very top, when it is wintertime, sometimes they have no sun at all. They don't, because it's so cold there. And the earth tips that much that they can't see the sun for a while. Can you imagine what that would be like? Maybe you would sleep the day away. Or maybe you would go to school in your pajamas. That could be fun, right? Let's see. In winter, many trees are bare, which means they don't have any leaves. Their branches don't have any leaves. Only the pine and fir trees have needles. They're like skinny leaves, and they stay on for winter. The temperature can get very cold during winter. Today, I believe the temperature by me in Wisconsin is 1 degree Fahrenheit. Not very warm. Not very warm at all. People need to wear extra clothes to keep them warm. James is making a snow angel. His coat, snow pants, keep him from getting cold. What else is he wearing to keep him from getting cold? Good, you got the boots. What else is he wearing? Oops, I turned the page, sorry. His hat. Can you find one more thing that he's wearing to keep him warm from the cold? Good, he has gloves. You can see his fingers. All the different fingers means he's wearing gloves. If his fingers are all together, then it's a mitten. The temperature is cold for animals too. Some move to warmer places for the winter. Animals that have lots of fur stay during the winter, and their fur keeps them warm. This animal is called a bison. It kind of looks like a cow, but it's not a cow. It's called a bison. These bison grow really, really thick and long coats of fur for the winter. It's hard for animals to find food in winter. In autumn, beavers collect extra sticks and logs. They keep them in the water near their lodges, and they eat the bark during winter. Winter comes after autumn, but it comes before the spring. Bobby likes to go sledding in the winter. Do you go sledding? Sledding is one of my favorite things to do in winter. Ooh, and here are some other winter activities. Do you like to do any of them? Maybe go sledding or build a snowman. This is tricky when you build a snow fort. Or maybe you like to go skiing. Those are all different things to do. Uh-oh. Oh, my friends, we have a test to take. The book gave us 5 questions to see if we were paying attention. We're going to say a thumbs up if we say, yep, that's right. And we'll do a thumbs down if what they say is wrong. Are you ready? Let's check to see if we were paying attention. The weather changes during each season. Yep, is that right? Is that wrong? Does the weather change? It does! Yes, in winter it's cold. In summer it's hot. It changes. Here's question 2. There is more daylight in winter. Oh, this is tricky. Are the days longer in winter? Are the days shorter? Are the days longer in winter? Or are the days shorter? The days are shorter in winter. Yes, you're right. Here's question 3. The trees don't have leaves in winter. Is that right? The trees don't have leaves. Or is that wrong? The trees have leaves. The trees don't have leaves in winter. No, that's not right. They were wrong. Okay, question number 4. It can be very cold in winter. In winter, is it cold or is it hot? What do you think? Yes, in winter, it's cold. We've got one more question. Here we go. Animals find lots of food to eat in winter. Is that right? Animals have lots of food to eat in winter. Or animals don't have lots of food to eat in winter. Is that what you said? You're right. Animals don't have lots of food to eat. The snow covers the ground, and they can't eat the bugs or the leaves because they're all gone. They're all hidden. You are such a smart friend. I'm so glad you took time to read the story with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.